Oh man, look at my arm. Getting a good view? All right, so we're just packing bearings. Paolo, what is this called? A UFO.
Yeah, it's a UFO.
So we're packing bearings with a UFO. One is done. Collar was too slow. We're gonna start on the second one. Hang on. All right, Dollar, all yours. Keep it point the thing at the bearing so when it comes out, the old grease comes out, they'll see it. Yeah, this is a bigger bearing, so you gotta pump a bit more. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. All right, let me pump it. Okay, you just point the camera at it. Shit, we might be out of grease, man. Ah, there we go. So one spurt more coming out. See that?
Yep.
That's the old grease we want to get out and replace it with fresh new grease. That's good. I see new grease coming out. All right.
Okay.
Now,
let's unlock the UFO.
one UFO baby coming right up. All right, now we're just gonna wipe this up and put this aside. This is done. See all the old grease?
Yep.
That's what we're doing. Replacing grease. Oh, yep, don't want to do that. So you done heard it.
We're doing this on a trash can.
It's not a trash can.
It's a trash can.
It's a UFO stand. It's a landing pad. Damn it. All right, let me put this up and then